Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is GTK Noob. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And to my regular viewers, welcome back. So I'm on my way heading towards Gangtok side town. So it's been few days I haven't made any videos. A good reason for that. Also, I forgot to tell you guys in my last video that I had gone to pit stop with my car and had done some wash out there. So if you guys can see, check out the video here. And so if you guys haven't done any of your car wash recently, then you should try pit stop. It's located at Pani House, Gangtok. You will definitely be satisfied. Nice weather in Gangtok. So these few days what I was doing was I had gone to my fiance's place, and if you have watched a few of my recent videos, 2-3 recent videos, then you will know that I was talking about traditional stuff which I was supposed to do for I had to stay back at my fiance's place for 3 nights, and then the third day she is supposed to come back to my house. So that thing happened. I missed my baby as well. So riding her after I think 3 days riding Zini. It's fun with my bike, but the kind of traffic in Gangtok. Woo, that power. So I think a few of my wheelerz hub friends, guys, riders have gone down towards 6th mile, I don't remember. I thought that police was gonna catch me, man. So I think I'll take a U-turn from here. This is not the right place to take a U-turn. So if you guys don't know, you cannot overtake from the left side of the road. So that's why I'm stopping my bike, because there's a jump. So I'll be heading down and I'll try to catch up with my wheelerz hub friends, wheelerz hub guys, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So I think there's Rain Chain and there's Kaushal, and I think Vedanta is also there. I'm not sure. So I just called up one of my friend, Kaushal. So they are at Adampur, going towards Adampur. So we'll try to catch up at my own pace. Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope you have a prosperous and a beautiful year ahead. And let's all hope that the corona gets over soon, pretty soon. Hope the vaccine works. Yeah, I know everyone is like so sketchy about the vaccine. Keep our fingers crossed. Himalayans, those are really good bikes for our place, man. Goes everywhere, does everything except for a few things, but it's one of the most versatile and easy to manage bikes. Let's go and check out what's going on at Adampur then. It's a nice long stretch. The road is still in construction though. Yes. Yeah, hello, happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is what's my call going to lagana call it. That's the Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Naya bike da. Happy New Year, it's it. Congrats da. Okay, we are heading toward Rumtek side. Happy New Year. Motul. नयाँ बाइक आगे ठिकै हुन्छ ल
कहाँ गएको तिमी
आगे उयो के भन्छ रुमटेक साइड
ए केटाहरूसँग आएको अहिले माथिबाट आएको
अह
यही थियो तिमी
अह फेरि फर्केर आएको माथि गएको थियो कि उकालो फर्केर आएको
के मजा आउँछ रफ रोडमा मार्च जाने अरे
मार्चक होइन ल रुमटेक रुमटेक होइन रुमटेक रुमटेक दा रुमटेक अगाडि अगाडि मजा आयो त कति दिन बाद तपाईँसँग राइड गर्नु पायो ह्याप्पी न्यु इयर आज्ञा ह्याप्पी न्यु इयर सबैजनालाई ह्याप्पी न्यु इयर मन्सर प्लिज सब्सक्राइब टु पिस्टन हेड राइडर
कफी हुन्छ
So anyways guys, we are heading back. This is the end of the video for today. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and to my regular viewers, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. कहाँ गयो हातजना कुनै कहाँ हरायो यिनीहरू यिनीहरू कहाँ गयो यिनीहरू त हरायो त त्यो गाडी पनि गइसक्यो त्यो गाडी गयो बलेनो त्यो बलेनो त भर्खर गयो त हामीले ओभरटेक गरेको यिनीहरू पछाडि छ क्या के भयो लड्यो के यिनीहरू एकजना आयो